We're going to continue our talk on expressions. The next thing we will talk about now is evaluating expressions. To evaluate an expression, you're going to substitute the variable for the number that it equals. And then after you substitute it in, use the order of operations to simplify the problem. For our first example, it gives us that x equals 2 and y is equal to 4. So x and 2 are the exact same thing. So that means in this first example, wherever I see an x, I need to replace it with a 2. And then it tells us that y is equal to 4. So wherever I see a y, I need to replace it with a 4. So now I would get the expression 3 times 2 plus 9 times 4. 3 times 2 would be 6. 9 times 4 is 36. And 36 plus 6 would be 42. We're going to use the same values for x and y on example 2. So I'm going to take out the x and I'm going to replace it with 2. I'll take out the y, I'm going to replace it with 4. And the 6 stays by itself. The 6 is your constant. 2 squared. 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 9 times 4 is negative 36. When you have only addition and subtraction left, you work from left to right. So first I'm going to do 4 minus 36. 4 minus 36 is negative 32. Bring down the plus 6. Negative 32 plus 6 is negative 26. For the next problem, in our expression we have a, c, and d. And a is negative 2, c is negative 4, and d is positive 4. So I'm going to take a, I'm going to replace it with negative 2. I'm going to take c, replace it with negative 4. I'm going to take d and replace it with positive 4. Order of operations says I do multiplication first, so bring down the negative 2. We're going to bring down the minus sign. And then negative 4 times positive 4 is negative 16. Right? I have double signs here. 2 negatives make a plus. So to rewrite it, I have negative 2 plus 16. Negative 2 plus 16 is 14. And pause and do the utri. That is b squared plus d squared. Alright, so b is equal to 3. So I'd have 3 squared. D is equal to 4. So I have 4 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 squared, or 4 times 4 is 16. 9 plus 16 would be 25.